Hola chicos, bienvenidos a una nueva sesión de nuestras clases de inglés. El día de hoy les traigo possessive adjectives with be, okay? Let's start the topic, the class, with a question. What is a possessive adjective? Okay. Possessive adjectives are used to show possession or ownership of something, okay? Let's say they are words that modify a noun to show a possession to a specific person, animal, or a thing, okay? Here you have the answer. You can take a picture to know. Ok, aquí les traigo como siempre, les hago una fórmula en un pequeño cuadrito para que sepan cómo formular sus oraciones o preguntas. Bueno, y en esta oportunidad tenemos oraciones con possessive adjectives, adjetivos posesivos, ok? The possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their, okay? Here, as you can see here, we need to say or to write the possessive adjective, and here the be. We have here be, okay? For example, my last name is Perry. Your last name is Perry. His last name is Perry, and her last name is Perry, okay? My, mío, your, tuyo, his, él, pero para referirse a masculino. Her, igual, suyo, pero referirse a femenino. O su, ok. Ok, here, its. Es importante diferenciar its con el apócrifo it is, ya que esto nos demuestra el adjetivo posesivo de it para una cosa. En esta oportunidad estamos hablando de una computadora Apple. Its brand is Apple. Estamos hablando de la marca de la computadora, lo cual es su pertenencia, ¿ok? Su característica. Okay. Next one, our. Es el adjetivo posesivo para definir nuestra propiedad cuando somos más de dos personas, ¿ok? Plural, nuestro, nuestra, ¿ok? Our house is cozy. Our house is cozy. Our house is cozy. Nuestra casa es acogedora, ¿ok? Estamos hablando de nuestra pertenencia. Imaginemos de mi hermano y mi hermana y mi casa. Nuestra casa es acogedora, ¿ok? Their, su, pero en plural. Their backpacks are expensive. Sus, plural, sus mochilas son caras. Their backpacks are expensive, ¿ok? My, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Okay, remember, you can take a picture to know the order. Okay, possessive adjectives. Let's practice. Okay, what can you see here in this picture? A boy, a computer, okay, a desk. This boy is named Roberto, okay? His name is Roberto. His, adjetivo posesivo masculino. His name is Roberto. His last name is Smith. His last name is Smith. Here we are talking about the room, the place. His office is comfortable. Su oficina es cómoda. His computer is expensive. Estamos hablando de la computadora, pero si bien es cierto, sabemos que la computadora es pertenencia de Roberto, ¿ok? His computer is expensive. Here we are talking about the computer. The computer, ¿ok? It's brown, it's Apple. Its brand is Apple. The last one, como lo hemos visto en esta oportunidad, aquí en esta oración, estamos hablando de la pertenencia de Roberto. Su camisa es amarilla. His shirt is yellow. Okay. Next one. Okay. What can you see here? Girls, right? Here, there, because we are talking about names, which mean plural. Okay, their names are Julia and Katie. She's Julia and she's Katie. Their names are Julia and Katie. Their eyes are beautiful. Okay. Their clothes are comfortable. Next one. Their lips are thick. Lips, plural. Okay, there. Because we are talking about Julia and Katie. Okay, estamos usando plural, there. Porque si hubiésemos hablado solamente de Julia, hubiésemos dicho her name is Julia. Okay, next one. Their earrings are colorful. Sus aretes son coloridos. Their phrases are identical. Okay. Next one. Here, I'm going to talk about my dog. Okay. As you can see here, we have a Siberian Husky. Its eyes are beautiful. Okay. Its face is funny. As you can see here, we are talking about an animal. Okay. So for that reasons, we need to write, or we need to say its. Okay. El adjetivo posesivo de it para usar en cosas. Its eyes are beautiful. Its face is funny. Its dog collar is nice. Its nose is cute. Okay. Now we are reading it's a female dog. Here you can see here an apostrophe. Es un apócrifo, lo cual significa que hemos usado una contracción de it is, its. Esto es el adjetivo posesivo de it, y esto es la contracción de it plus is. It is, its. It is a female dog. It's a female dog. Okay. Its name is Lala. Okay. Its name is Lala. Ok, es muy importante saber esto. Hemos usado its, ok, porque aún no sabíamos si era hembra o macho, y también no sabíamos si tenía nombre. Pero cuando un animal, una mascota, tiene nombre, comenzamos a utilizar her and his respecto a su sexo. En esta ocasión es una perrita hembra, ok? It's a female dog. Its name is Lala, which means we are going to use her. Her paws are big. Sus patitas son grandes, ok? Her, because we already know that is a female dog. Ok, bueno, esto ha sido todo por hoy, chicos. Espero les haya gustado. Espero que lo practiquen. Tómenle captura al cuadrito donde les brindo la información sobre cómo escribir de la manera exacta, de la manera formal, usando los possessive adjectives, ¿ok? Y como siempre les dejaré un link para que tomen su examen, el material de la clase de hoy, ¿ok? Bueno, eso ha sido todo, chicos. Mucha suerte y espero que sigan practicando y nos vemos en un siguiente video. Chao.